Hello everybody, Jennifer Smith here from Hidden Garden Oasis again. So I was completely out of hand soap in the bathroom, and when I run out of stuff I said I'd make videos. So today we're going to learn how to make our own natural hand soap. Um, I personally love the foaming hand soap. So what I've done, and I think I've had this one and the one in the kitchen for I know over a year, and I just make my own soap every time we run low. So, what you're going to need, I mean, you don't have to, you can use regular pump bottle, but I like using the foaming one. So, this is what this is going to be about is the foaming one. So, if you have any at your house, don't throw away the container, or you can actually buy the glass ones. I know I've seen them on Amazon. I want to get some of those because you know me, I rather have glass than plastic, but this is what I have to work with. So I haven't bought hand soap in years, multiple years. Like I said, the ones I have, I've had forever. Um, so that's what you need. So you're going to need some, I apparently made a mess. Anyway, castile soap, organic, liquid. You can get it, I bought mine on Amazon. You can get it scented already, but I use unscented because I also use this for my laundry soap, which I have not done a video on that one. I'm sorry I ran out. I didn't have time to make a video, but next time I will. Uh, Use it for laundry soap, hand soap, so I just get unscented and then add my own scent. For the bathroom one, and then I can make it all different kinds of scents. See? So for the bathroom one, I like to use fruity. So I've been doing grapefruit. So there's still like a little tiny bit in there, but so you'll take your cap off, and basically it is a 1-to-1 ratio of water and soap. But I'm gonna make sure you guys can see. I like to, as I'm putting in the soap, just stop periodically and add my essential oil, and then we'll shake it up at the end. Are you ready to watch me make a mess? Because I always do. Okay. See how messy I can get.